this actually works, guys. It is super insane. So keep watching the video, guys, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. It's totally working, guys. So
hey guys, so today I'm going to show you a tennis clash hack. So when you open it up, as you can see, we're broke, but we can do free gems. So I'm going to turn this all the way up, and let's see if the gems go up. So as you can see, these are the values right now. So let's see if the gems start increasing. So hopefully they do, but I don't know if this is going to work or not. But yeah, it's very cool. So as you can see, the gems should start going up, and then we're going to be rich. There we go. So I'm going to show you how to get this tennis clash hack for iPhone, for Android, for every phone. It's very cool. So first thing is go to matrixmods.com, find the tennis clash, press download on the mod, and then the next thing is the verification. So this is where you have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions, 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So as you can see, it's loading right now. So I literally just had to download some apps. You can see it says like verify your device. So we got like Family Island, which says reach level 10, so it's a game, so I could do that. Or I could do like Underdog Fantasy, which says down and run for 30 seconds. Let's just do 2 of them, it doesn't matter. But yeah, it's really cool. Also, if you press help, you can watch a video here, so that could help you out. But yeah, if you play Tennis Clash at all, you gotta try this. It's so crazy, bro. Fully working version. So as you can see in the mod menu, all the settings, team tools, all this stuff, max stamina. But yeah, it's just crazy, bro. So be sure to try it out. I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. So yeah, I mean, this is legit. Yeah, it's very cool. So if you like Tennis Clash, definitely try it out. It's legit, and there's many things to explore in it. So if you feel bad about one of the apps, maybe it's too hard, do a different one. There's many to choose from, and also there'll be different apps in different countries. So I live in the US. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So definitely go ahead and try it out. So hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, I mean, if this tutorial works, definitely go ahead and tell your friends about it. This is super cool. And yeah, it's very, very awesome. So if you guys need it, definitely try it out.